this video, I'm going to show you how you can update MaiPlus app to the latest version. Now, by updating your app, you'll be able to get the latest version that comes with MaiPlus app, and also you'll be able to fix any errors or issues related to your app. To do so, you'll need to access your app either through Google Play Store or App Store. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So for my case here, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for an update through Google Play Store. So I'll tap on Play Store, and from here I'll use this search function to search for MaiPlus, just like that. And as you can see, my MaiPlus Life Routine app is here. Now, as you can see, we have an update that is available, meaning I've been using an outdated version of MaiPlus app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download and install the latest version of MaiPlus app on your smartphone. Now, once this is done, the update button will change to open, proceed, and now start using your app without any problem. So that's how you can update and get the latest version of MaiPlus app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.